Hey, what's up there, everyone? It's Jack Bucknell with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just wanted to check in as far as what we're working on today. So we've got a Volkswagen EOS. I'm not even sure how to really pronounce this. I've never actually seen one of these cars before. So this is actually a hardtop convertible. So pretty cool little sporty looking little car there. Hey, what's up there, Kent? How you doing, man? So this is what we're going to be working on today as far as one dent. So we're going to actually take the light away. So there's kind of what your average person would see looking at it here in kind of a natural reflection. Hey there, Kent, waving back at you. And then this is what we're actually going to be fixing as far as one of the dents. We're fixing actually multiple dents on this actually today. So there's kind of how it looks with our paintless dent repair. Good, man. Good to hear that, man. I'm doing great as well. Awesome, awesome. So anyway, let's get this light turned off, kind of show you some of the other stuff we're going to be working on today. So we're actually fixing some of these dents in the hood here. So basically kind of looking at the light here. Hey, what's up, John? How you doing, man? So kind of looking at some of the damage here on the hood. So it's got an impact point right there. But more importantly, if you look at it in the reflection of light here, you can see a lot of displaced metal, and you know, it's all real wavy and whatnot for the customer's car here. So one thing that we kind of brought up to them is they were more concerned with getting these little dents, not the whole big wave, but a lot of these little kind of minor hail dents, I believe, is what they look like to me if I had to guess. There's just a handful of them kind of all over the place. I'll kind of try to point them out. So we gave kind of the customer two options with their type of repair here. So we can go about doing and fixing all the hood and getting all the waves and wiggles out of it for one price, or we can see about focusing only on the ones that they're really worried about and you know, really concerned about as far as the waves and wiggles and stuff. The guy was kind of, I don't know, not really that big of a deal to him. Again, just kind of turning around the camera here and looking at the, he was basically just more so worried about fixing that one dent there and then all the waves around it, not really so concerned about. And then obviously, like we showed, this dent here in the hardtop part. And then actually when he originally didn't want to fix this one, but ended up changing his mind when he brought it in for repair. I think just because it bothered him and his wife, he said. There's actually a small little dent right there in the quarter panel there. So this one's all glue pull, no access from the top through the convertible opening or through the trunk lid area, so up and through here. So anyway, so that's just kind of what we're working on today. And then we're also finishing up a 2020 Ram. If you've been following us on Instagram here, we've been working on this project for a few days now. It's a pretty big door smash, so we're actually getting ready to put it back together this afternoon and get it back to the customer here. I just had to squeeze this car in here quick to get it all wrapped up for the customer so they get it back the same day. So anyways, if you've got any dents or dings in your vehicle, feel free to go ahead and direct message us right here on Instagram. And you can go ahead and chat with us here, and we'll get you scheduled in for an estimate. If you'd like to give us a call, phone number 605-250-1023. And also you can visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Yeah, the waves and wiggles on that hood are pretty bad, aren't they, Ken? And anyway, so you can, like I said, you can fill out a form on our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. We'll go ahead and contact you and give you a call back here at your, you know, that way it works for both of us. You know, just leave us your info and we'll contact you when we can, and we'll go from there. But anyways, thanks for checking out the video here today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So take care. Have a great rest of your Thursday. So, and first day of October. So, all right.